Ian J. Juggling for life. Feel like you can say the fuck up off my page. Because I'm sick and tired of y'all motherfuckers talking shit. But listen to this, I got something for you. Well, check me, fam. Feel me? I'm a J-U-double-G-A-L-O. I'ma live it till they got my ass get up in a hole. Even when I'm fucking smoking on a blunt or in a bowl, I'ma fucking rock this shit till my ass is fucking old. Till my balls hang down to my ankles and my toes. I don't give a fuck about you. Who the fuck knows what your family put your ass through? But I know this, you like sucking dick till your face turn blue like my bitch did, jacking me off until I bust, son. I try to tell you I don't need no fucking gun. I got hatchets and the razors, got knives in the drawer. I don't give a fuck, make your ass shit up in your drawers. I'm a monster, a beast, I'm something from the streets. I'm something that you regurgitate after you fucking eat. I ain't playing no more, this ain't no silly fucking games. Ain't no rubber dinosaur, I ain't playing the names. I ain't shaking no dice and say yachty motherfuckers. And if you see me, better start ducking, running cover, cause I'm busting out the 12 gauge. You better turn the fucking page or get a different book. Got your ass shook to the point of no fucking return like Peter Pan. Boy, when you gonna learn and you lost your fucking hand, call you Captain Hook. Who you fucking gonna come and get, motherfucker? Take a look, I got a hatchet man plus the gold chain ring band. I don't give a fuck if I ain't got no fans. I got my fucking family, and that's all it means to me. And y'all can just suck my dick. See you, bitch.